Hey everybody, Teresa here with Little Bird Woodworks, and I'm going to try to do, what are they calling it, the down vent or something like that, or anyway, I want the dust collection system for when I use my Dremel right here, so that's what I'm going to try to do. And I've watched several videos, like from, what is it, Fusion Carving with Jordy Johnson, and Matt Carves, and several others. Anyway, stuff. And then I'll probably need the dust collection system, my own little system for my cyclone, hurricane, funnel, whatever you want to call it. And I cannot throw any of these little teeny pieces of wood away because I might need them. I might want to make something out of them. So that's like all I have left of scrap wood. It's gone to scrap to little teeny pieces of you, millions of pieces. Oh, I see then. Jordy's was, but I'm just gonna, they said the smaller the hole, the more the suction, so that's what I need. I need some big suction. It's been hot. Today doesn't seem so hot. Maybe the humidity's gone in the air. I'm not sure, but I'm grateful for today. Alright. So, first things first. Measure it up. That's about good, I think. Hello. That's better. Okay. Ugh. No, not in it. So rubbing it loose. Oh. that cholla I was talking about. Do you think you could make cool knife grips with it or something? Can you see it? That's the fat end. It's really pretty. I've got quite a bit of it. Actually, my husband does. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Perfect. Put the cholla up here somewhere. Cholla. Hey, cholla.